Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be upgrading my garage door opener for the third bay behind me where I park my 911, getting ready for the lift that I'm going to be installing soon. I'm going to be talking about a couple of other updates, as well as the hint of a GT3 Touring 911. Let's go check it out. So first off, my garage door opener. If you saw a video that I made a couple of days ago, I was talking about the fact that I've always wanted a lift in my garage, and I think this year I'm gonna go for it. I like working on my car, I like taking the wheels off, oil changes, you know, basic kind of maintenance, and instead of using a floor jack, having a scissor lift or a 4 or 2 post lift is pretty exciting and will be pretty helpful. So while I figure out the lift and which one I'm gonna go for, one thing I need to do is move my garage door opener. Now, there are 2 options from what I've discovered from the pros. Option number 1 is about 300 bucks, and that they can raise the existing garage door opener up by a foot, which means that they can also raise the track by about the same height. That will give me the 90 inches of clearance that I need once the car is up on the low-rise lift. I'm not gonna get a full-blown lift, I'm gonna get like a mid or a low-rise lift. So for a couple $100, I get an extra foot's worth of space, which gives me the sort of room that I need. For the same amount of labor, plus the cost of a new garage door opener that sits flush on the wall, I can get rid of this stuff above my car and the garage door opener altogether and just have a completely open third bay with the full-blown ceiling height. So that's what I'm gonna go for. In this video, we're gonna see Reliable Garage Door Inc. of the Twin Cities here in Minnesota do the installation. We're then gonna take a look at it, and then we're gonna talk about that GT3 Touring. Well guys, they came and went. The guys from Reliable Garage Door took down the old door opener and put in the new one. Let's go test it out. This place looks so much bigger now. I'm really excited to try it out. It's the LiftMaster, I think it's the 8500. It's Wi-Fi enabled. It's called a jack drive opener, I think. Let's give it a go here. Got a new, panel on the wall or whatever. Pretty quiet, all things considered. It also has this lock, which I think you can see kind of there. Which just is amazing. Now I need to secure the other door, I guess. Not that, Do I really need to? No, of course I don't really need to, but I'm gonna. So that's great. I mean, look how much headroom I've got now. Do you know what's making me think? Not only should I get a lift, can I get a 997 on top of my 991? Maybe 2 cars. But at the very least, I'm gonna be able to fit my lift in here now. Now, looking at the garage from this angle, I'm thinking a couple of things. One, I have got to sort out all the crap that's up there in my storage bins. That's doing my head in. And two, I think it's about time that I finally finish that side of the garage. I've got plastic wrap, you can see there that I need to take off the wood, and I need to finish the framing. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot right now, go and buy myself some paint, if it's open. So weird, isn't it? In these times of quarantine, is Home Depot even open? I don't know. Well, that needs painting. Also, where are we? You can see the stand for the heater over there that attaches it to the wall. That needs painting. So that might be a job I do tonight, a bit of painting. Now, I teased at the beginning of this video that I might, hello. Yeah, I teased at the beginning of this video that I might be talking about a 991 GT3 Touring. And that is the case. I want to give a big shout out to my friend Daniel, who lives in the Bay Area over in California. He just traded in a 991 first generation Carrera S and drove home with a GT3 with the Touring package, which is jet black metallic. It is fully loaded. It is absolutely beautiful. It's a dream car of his, and I'm calling it out because not only is Daniel a really nice guy, and we've become mates through my channel over the past however many months, you know, IMing and talking and blah, blah, blah. 2 guys sharing a passion for cars. But of all of the 911 models, I think the GT3 Touring is, I don't know, the pinnacle of all of the 911 models. Yep, I said it. Naturally aspirated engine. It's got all the power of the GT3, but it's sort of not quite as in your face because it doesn't have the massive wing on the back. But to the trained eye, you know what it is, and you know how powerful it is. And it's got all of the refinements you could hope for. It's got the bucket seats, the deviated leather stitching. It's got the leather steering column. It's got, wow, what else has it got? It's got the ceramic brakes. It's got beautiful GT3 rims. I mean, pretty much anything you'd like to see in a high-end 911, especially the GT3 Touring, Daniel's got. So congratulations, Daniel. I'm really, really happy for you. And I am going to be hunting you down once this quarantine is over and I'm coming to San Francisco because I really want to see this car in the flesh. But congratulations. What an absolute, just fantastic achievement. Dream car. Well done to you, mate. Really, really happy for you. However, I don't want to rain on your parade. It doesn't look like you got the bum coolers. What's up with that? You got a GT3 Touring and you didn't get the air-cooled seats. That's my #1 requirement for any car these days. Just joking. Anyway, enjoy Daniel's car. I'm going to put a few videos and that Daniel's been kind enough to take and send over in photos to do a little bit of a montage for him. But I'm just so happy for you, mate. Congratulations. Everyone else, enjoy Daniel's car. Daniel, please enjoy your car. And I'll see you in the next video soon. Take care. Bye.